Ramya Gupta, and I am going to teach you what is Hindu law and the sources of Hindu law. The sources, what before going, we must know that we should know that what is law according to Hindu concept. Hindu law is a body of principles or rules called dharma. It lays down the laws which regulated Hindu nationals, social family, and individual obligations. Dharma are considered as a law in the Hindu philosophy. That means what is dharma? It is a Hindu law. In the Hindu law, it is a body of principles or rules in which Hindu national, social, family, and individual obligations are being regulated by these laws, or we can say dharma. Dharma is considered as a in the Hindu philosophy as the law. Now we come to the sources of Hindu law. The sources of Hindu law can be classified under the following two heads: ancient sources and the second, modern sources. First, under sources, this come the following: Shruti, Smriti, Digest, and commentaries and custom. Second one is modern sources. Under this head would come justice, equity, and good conscience, precedent, and legislation. That means ancient sources, Shruti has come. It literally means that which has been heard. What is being heard, it is known as Shruti. The word is derived from the root shru, which means to hear. In theory, it is the primary and paramount sources of Hindu law and is believed to be the language of the divine revelation through the sages. Now, Shruti is synonym to the Veda, which they are four Vedas. We are not going in deep, but now we will jump into second, Smritis. The word Smriti, as the video is going to too much broad, too much wide, so I am going to teach Smritis. The word Smriti is derived from the root Smri, meaning to remember. Traditionally, Smritis contain those portions of the Shrutis which the sages forgot in their original form, and the idea whereby they wrote in their own language with the help of their memory. This is the basis of the Smritis. Shrutis, thus the basis of the Smritis is Shruti hai, but they are human works. There are two kind of Smritis: Dharma Sutras and Dharma Shastras, which are very important thing to be learned. Their subject matter is almost the same. The difference is that the Dharma Sutras are written in prose, in short maxims, sutras, which is called short maxims are called sutras, and the Dharma Shastras are composed in poetry, shlokas. However, occasionally we find shlokas in Dharma Sutras and sutras in the Dharma Shastras. In a narrow sense, the word Smriti is used to denote